Robert Fritz, the pioneer in the field of structural dynamics, is coming to Boston October 16th through 18th. He will be leading a special new workshop, The Path of Least Resistance. This workshop is a benefit for the African Food and Peace Foundation. Robert began his career as a composer, achieving both a bachelor's and master's degree in composition from the prestigious Boston Conservatory. From his career in the arts, Robert discovered many vital principles that directly apply to how one can create the life he or she wants. And he also discovered a major principle that impacts most people's lives, that the underlying structure of anything determines the patterns in their lives. There are two types of patterns. In one, you set out for something, you do what it takes to achieve that result, and the result becomes the platform for future success. This is called an advancing pattern, and it is the essence of the creative process. But Robert discovered another pattern people often have. In this pattern, you set out for something you want to create, you take actions to accomplish it, you do achieve the result and have it for a while, but then there is a reversal, and at the end of the story, you no longer have the result you wanted. This is called an oscillating pattern. What is the difference between an advancing pattern and an oscillating pattern? Is it your psychology, your DNA, your cultural background, your upbringing, your lack of willpower, your luck, your attitudes? While people often think there are causes beyond their control, or that they suffer from personal flaws, most often it is the underlying structures they are in, structures that are invisible to them. A change of your underlying structure will change your oscillating patterns to an advancing pattern. This is the key to structural dynamics. Robert discovered what he termed macrostructural patterns in 1980, which was his first major discovery in the field of structural dynamics. In 1984, he wrote his first version of his internationally best-selling classic, The Path of Least Resistance, which has had a major influence on countless others. What causes your life patterns? The underlying structures in your life. From moving from an oscillating to an advancing pattern, there needs to be a change of underlying structure. This is one of the major themes of Robert's workshop, The Path of Least Resistance. You will have a chance to explore 4 essential issues that are the most life-changing, and they are identity, freedom and control, purpose and existence, and parental preoccupation. Each of these issues will be explored, and from that, a change of underlying structure can lead you to a powerful life-building process where your highest aspirations and deepest values become the organizing principles in your life. But there is more. Another aspect of the path of least resistance is the power of the creative process. The creative process is the most successful process for development in history. It has created the arts, science, commerce, and is the most civilizing force there is. The path of least resistance will give you the foundation for the next chapter in your life. Robert will bring the latest developments in structural dynamics in the Path of Least Resistance workshop, ones that can enable you to establish the best underlying structure to create the life you want to live. Hope for Africa. Hope for our future. Robert's Path of Least Resistance workshop is a benefit event for some of the most exciting new approaches to world development through the work of the African Food and Peace Foundation. For over 40 years, the African Food and Peace Foundation has partnered with communities in Uganda to help girls and women become leaders, strengthen families, and build self-sustaining futures. To meet this need, the African Food and Peace Foundation partners with educational institutions and community organizations. Creating one's way of life with a creative orientation, where the individual is consistently in touch with their aspirations, values, vision, current reality, and structural tensions. So join Robert for a transformational workshop and support one of the best developmental organizations ever. The Path of Least Resistance, October 16th through 18th in Boston. To enroll or to find out more information, email